Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we are making a 12 by 12 layout with the Everlean Lane collection from Fancy Pants. I had just finished doing a mini album, which should be on my channel. It was this one. And since everything is still on my desk, instead of putting it away, I am going to jump into project number 2 with it. And maybe even a third one, because I do love the colors very, very much. It is a rainbow pastel collection. But if you've seen some of the pages, and I have a few right here, overall, it seems for me challenging to make a 12 by 12 layout with it because it's collage-y kind of, you know. I definitely want to use the rest of this collection in doing some sort of art journal, mixed media, because the imagery is stunning. But to make a layout, you know, if we put a photo anywhere, it makes it a little bit difficult. So my thought to rectify the difficult aspect of looking at this collection is to punch out circles, and we're going to make a rainbow wreath. That's what we're going to do. It was the thought I had second once I was done with my book, just because, not to say it's a go-to, because I haven't done a circle wreath in a while, but it helps to calm down exactly what I just said, like about how it's a little bit of a busy collection, and with that it makes it difficult to make a classic 12 by 12 sort of layout. But if I can cut out circles, and I have all the embellishments still on my desk, that way we can make little spots and stuff, we can make it happen. Okay, so let's just I'm just going to be punching. I just have my 2-inch and a 1.5. Maybe I need my 1-inch punch, because actually I don't even know where that might be, but we'll get the 1-inch punch if I need little areas that are a little too small to do anything with. And so we're just going to punch a bunch of circles for now, and let's get going. Okay, so with the 2 different size punches, I do cut out quite a few, and as I'm cutting them out, I'm putting them into little piles, especially for like the side that I want to use, because one side is one color and one is another. So as I kind of punch first, as you can see, punch first, and then I'll start kind of going through all of them and making my little pile of orange and blue, the yellow and the greens, on which one, you know, the side that I want to use better. And then I kind of want to make sure that I have like equal colors of each of them, because I just like the, you know, presentation of a full rainbow. What I will say is that the collection doesn't really have like what you would consider red. So that pink zone, I just have that transition from the purple, if I recall, and then into the orange as well. So then I just give a home, like I said, to the red, corally, pinky color. Well, it's like probably like corally pink, then to orange, then green as I'm like doing it. And then I'm realizing, you know, there's blues, purples, and pinks. And I'm realizing, oh, I have no yellow. So I go there, and then I go and find the yellow page. And I was like, I need yellow up in here. You know, there needs to be a transition from orange to green. Like that doesn't make sense. So I made it be as realistic as possible with my color selection. And then I realized that kind of like midnight blue / purple color wasn't represented yet either, but those turned out to be very bold, as you can see on the bottom of the page right there. And so I do use 1 or 2, but I do not use like all of them. Like I said, it just kind of stood out from all the pastellis that we have, that purple / navy was not working very well. And so I really didn't make a true circular guide to follow. I just kind of went with it. And like I said, usually, you know me, what am I doing right now when I'm doing this? I have zoned out with a good book on audio, and I am, you know, creating. 9 times out of 10, if you ask me if I'm doing something repetitive, I am most likely listening to an audiobook. It's just my jam. It's my jam. So you can also see that I have my roll of fun foam circles. So I do my base layer first, and then like with that, whichever one in that color I'm working with, I will have the last few be raised up to create a little bit of dimension. And I'm getting creative with tucking and going underneath it so it looks nice and lush and full. The colors really work well together. So yes, this is not like your traditional scrapbooking collection, but between the mini album that I made and then doing this wreath 12 by 12 layout, it really does have a versatility. You just, like I said, probably will find it hard just to use just one piece of 12 by 12. You know, I even thought that maybe I could layer some of them up, like if you just did a rainbow, but like almost like gutted the paper and have like a rainbow border of each color. That could work pretty nicely too. So on my desk, I usually always sometimes overprint. I've gotten better since I'm able to print at home now, but overprinting is always something that happens. And I happen to have these two photos from, I do this photo shoot kind of at the same time as first day of school photos where I put on this denim jacket. If you follow me on Instagram, you know I created a reel saying that this is a denim jacket that will fit her when she potentially graduates from high school. So it's like a medium woman's denim jacket from Old Navy. And I got it now. Well, I got it last year for kindergarten. So now we do first grade pictures too. And as she grows and, you know, learns to fit into it, she will, you know, gradually grow into the jacket when she graduates high school. And so I'm 2 years into this tradition, and these are just photos that I had not scrapped yet. So it's fun to tell that story because, like I said, they were on my desk. I probably hadn't scrapped it yet. I also went in, you can see, with some splatters in the corresponding colors to each corner. These are the spritzes from Tim Holt. That's the Distress line. And I used 2 titles and staggered my photos, and the top one is popped up on Fun Foam as well. Okay, that will wrap up this rainbow layout. Now, don't get me wrong, I oriented it this way now, but like this flower is a little upside down because I first thought it was going to be this way, but it doesn't matter. I don't even think you noticed it unless I said something right there. So cute. Rainbow, fun, and all that splatter has to dry. I will leave this collection linked down below for your easy shopping needs. Give this video a thumbs up and please consider subscribing. Till next time, everyone. Bye.